Welcome back to Down to Play.
Today we're gonna do an unboxing, a review, and a ride.
Ride what?
Dun-dun-dun-dun! The Jetson folding electric bike. 100% electric, up to 15-mile range, 15.5 miles per hour, 14-inch pneumatic tires, twist throttle, and pedal assist.
That's gonna be a problem.
See? Maybe you can ride it too. Wow! What is this?
I think that's just a weight.
I think it's a hat.
Oh. It's already mostly built. My dad's unboxing the seat right now. Oh, you already unboxed it already.
That's gonna be nice and soft. Good.
Let me feel. Yeah.
That's soft enough?
Yep.
Good. Okay, so this is the Dad and Little Dude challenge. We try to put something together without looking at the instructions. We only look at the instructions if something isn't working.
Dad, how much was this?
I think we got it for $279.
So let's just say it was $279 and you could buy it at Costco. Buy it now. It's not downloaded merchandise. $250 or $275.
I can't remember.
I think you built it already. Oh wait.
We gotta put the pedals on.
All right, we gotta put the pedals and the seat on. That looks like it. And the lights on. There's no lights. Shush. Let me hold it. No, Amber, stop.
The charger.
Shush.
Hey,
Stop it, Amber.
no violence.
That looks.
There's a little fender. You think it goes back here?
It looks
or
like
up here.
it.
It looks funny on the front.
Let's see. Oh yeah.
Looks better right here.
Yeah, I think it goes right here.
Go look at the picture on the box real quick. Tell me where this goes.
It goes on the back.
Okay, right. Which way side? Which side's right?
This
This side or this side?
side.
Okay. I was just checking, making sure you knew. The left-hand side is a reverse thread. Instead of going clockwise, you go counterclockwise.
So counterclockwise is this way.
Yeah, opposite.
This is clockwise. Clockwise is right circle.
Right the circle.
Clockwise is right circle. Counterclockwise is left circle.
Left.
That is like, I don't know, plastic.
Okay, we got the little fender. The fender's kind of bent from sitting in the box the way it was packaged. Okay.
It's supposed to be sideways like that?
The battery is fully charged, yeah, right now. Okay, little dude, do you think you can handle this?
I think I should ride it alone.
Here, let me put the seat down. That's as low as it goes.
Am I gonna ride it by myself?
Yeah, it's like a regular bike.
But here's the thing. This is how you make it go. Definitely gonna take some getting. Okay, little dude. I think you can do it. I'll just turn the power off. Then you don't even have to worry about that right
Yes!
now. Okay.
And then you can just ride it like a normal bike.
But can you reach the brakes or not?
I think
Okay, now, Jerry,
You just moved up the brakes so you can actually
see if you
reach
can reach them now.
them. There, now you can reach them.
It's like a regular bike. What do you think, little dude?
good.
Okay.
I'm riding a motorcycle right now. I turned on the power.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, it's here. When the power's on, there's lights right here. That means the power. That's how you look at the power. Okay, so the power's on. So if you had to tell people to buy this, would you say buy it or not?
I think say buy it for your kids because once your kids learn how to use the power, it's pretty fun.
You would say buy it for your kids.
Yeah. Buy it at Costco for how much bucks, Dad?
I think like 250.
$250 at Costco. Buy it now.
Whoa!
I just hit the camera.
Okay, stop. Whoa, whoa. Hey, first time wrecking it. You got power now?
Power turned on.
Is it easier when there's power? Hey, slow down.
Okay, so here's the first special effect. We didn't put this on the bike, but this light is supposed to go, I think, on the handle of the bike. And you just press this right here, and then it does special effects. That's number 1. That's number 2. That's number 3. And that's all. That's all of that one. And the second one will come right after my dad's the ride bike. He's that little pink dot over there, or orange. Okay. Here's the second special effect. So you need the power on for this. So I turned that on.
Power on.
Power on. Now you hold this button under the thing. Then right here, you hold it. And then that happens.
Wow.
So that's the 2 special effects that it has. See you later. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to ring that bell and subscribe. We upload every Saturday. So we upload 1 video a week, and it's on Saturday. We always stand out to us.
Yuck. Okay, get on the bike.
I pee and poop under this lid.
Sick. Get back on the bike.